Welcome to the Wiki Journal. In this informative tutorial, I will teach you what does slay mean on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go toward the video. To show you that what slays mean, you might have come across the slay on Instagram and you want to know that what it's mean on social media app. The slay is commonly used on Instagram by a lot of users on the app. When influencers post a new picture and use a slay either as a caption or in the comment section. If you have seen slay on Instagram, you want to know what it means. So in this video we will provide the meaning and the use. So let's show that what it means. Slay itself has a very formal meaning which has to do with the violence. Slay on Instagram is used as a slang, which means that to do something perfectly. The Instagram users do not use the formal meaning of the slay, but they use a slang to be referred to a very interesting post that are made by the influencer especially. So on Instagram and other social media platform, when a user uses the word slay, it refers to something extremely amazing that has to be commented. Now, these influencers usually take very beautiful picture and put them on the Instagram app to see and view comment for other users who may refer to them as a slang. The word slay can either be used as a caption on Instagram post by the social media influencer to describe how beautiful he or she is looking in this particular post. So follower of that particular influencer may also choose to use the word slay to appreciate him amazing this picture is looking on Instagram. These are the latest information about the slay. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.